Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope everybody is well.
Today we're going into a tunnel.
Again, let's do it again. Yeah.
Hello.
Look at the camera.
Hello. When you subscribe our channel, you should.
Yasin, where are we going? Look at me. Look at me. Where are we going?
To the farm.
To the farm. Yusuf, where are we going?
To the farm.
To see what?
Animal.
Which animal?
The zebra.
No zebra. It's a very small farm.
Very small.
Okay, so this is my bike. So I take them by bike. Mama, wait. Let's go. Are you guys okay? Yasin, are you guys okay? Right, so now we're gonna bike to the farm. Bismillah, Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Let's park the bike. Ooh. Ooh. We park the bike. I'm exhausted. Wait. I'm exhausted. Ooh. Yes. I think it's open. We can go inside. Come on.
Oh, it's a mini bed. It's out. That was sexy. No. No biggie. Mama, I told you on. Do.
Oh my God, it stinks.
I told you.
It really stinks. Don't touch no electricity, please. Come on.
Oh, let me second. Understand.
Oh, Mama, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Can we go out?
Ow, my nose.
What's wrong with your nose? There's a fly.
Yes.
Oh, let's go, let's go. There's so much flies and disgusting pigs. Shall we go to the chicken?
Yeah, chicken is ready.
This way, Yusuf. Hold my hand, Yasin. Yasin, hold his hand, please. Bye, Yusuf, this way, please. Oh, he's so cute. And he's in captivity.
My name is Isa.
Come on. Shall we go walk around? Come on, let's walk. Oh, there's a cow there. Oof, where you? Oof. There. Let's go. Come on. Oh, look at the baby. There's a baby here. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
My name is Isa.
Yeah, you're introducing yourself. Hello, calf. Yeah, okay, let's go. See another one.
I don't like chickens.
Why not?
Mommy, that bit my finger.
They bit your finger.
Mommy.
There's no chicken here. There's no chicken here.
Is there eggs here?
No. Oh,
Oh.
hello.
Hello.
Hi, chicken.
Hi, chicken.
Oh, there's another one.
Chickens.
Oh, look.
Get the ladder. Get the ladder to me. Okay.
Shh, you're noisy. Ken,
Chicken don't lie.
you can look at him, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go up, go up.
Okay.
Good.
Hello, chicken. Hello, chicken. It's my turn. My turn.
Guys, please.
Huh? Hello, chicken.
Don't touch it because it might bit your finger, okay?
Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. Where is the egg?
Where is the egg? She's sitting on it. Can we have an egg, please? But that's kind of her baby, technically.
Can we have an egg?
Can you ask the chicken?
Can I have an egg, please?
Ask it again.
Can I have an egg? Can you
Do you want to get up, please? Can we have your egg, please? No, she doesn't have an egg. Nope, she was just relaxing. She doesn't want to give you her egg. Oh, hello. Hi.
Oh.
Hi.
Where's hello? Hi. Hi. Do Tarzan. Oh, bite your finger. Oh, bite your finger. Hello, chicken. My good flavors. Oh.
I don't think she wants it. Okay, shall we leave her to relax now? Please. Oh, here's another one. Oh, hello. Hi. We are disturbing you? I think we are. Hi.
Hi.
I think she's eating food. Oh my goodness.
Chicken eating food. Dog. Hi, chicken. I got the turd.
I think they're gonna come out. Oh, here's a third one.
That is mama one.
Yeah, that's how many chicken are there, Yusuf?
3.
3. Bye, guys. But oh no, Samhin. They're coming out. Bye. See you later. Thank you. Let's go. Come on.
I want to go to the next chicken.
Yeah. Let's go to the next hut. Put it back. Thank you. No, this is all empty. Let's go outside. Go see them outside. Yeah. Come on.
But I want to get eggs.
Eggs, I think they're in the shop. When we go to the shop, we can pick the eggs up. Oh, wow. Can we sit here under the lovely tree? I'll take a picture. Yasin, sit over there. Please.
I want to sit.
Why not? Okay. What shall we do, Kale? Come, Yasin. What shall we do?
Oh, so cute, baby.
Come. Bye, Yusuf. Bye. Shall we go the other way? Let's go to the other way. Come.
I'm hungry.
I know. We go home and eat.
But now I want to go to a
Go. Come talk to them. Hello. Yeah. Go.
Hey. No! I am feeding the pig. Okay?
Oh, they are so in deep in the mud. And then they get eaten. Wow. How would you even eat this? It's amazing. Yeah. Yeah. And this is why pig meat is haram.
My turn.
Oh, he likes you. Go on. Go on. He likes you, Yasin. Oh, they're fighting. Be careful. Oh, oh.
Come here, little piggy piggy. Here, little piggy piggy. Here, little piggy piggy.
3 little piglets.
Here, little piggy piggy. Come here, little piggy piggy. He ate it.
How many pigs are there, Yusuf? Yusuf, how many pigs?
3, 4.
How many pigs, Yusuf?
I wrote them.
4 pigs. We have to go to the playground so we're not late for lunch. Oh, look at them. Look at the lovely goose.
Where are the goose?
Over there. There. Geese or goose. Come on, Yusuf. Bye. Yeah, see it here. You can see it from here. It's better. Come. Do you think it's a good idea, Yasin? Climbing. Do you think it's a good idea? What do you think? Be careful, okay? Because if you fall, it will hurt.
Again.
Where are we, Yusuf? Yasin, are you okay?
Yeah.
Look at Mama. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Take your hoodie off. You can't see. Okay, don't take it. Don't take it. Be careful. Well done. Go on.
Hello, Shadow. Mama. It's okay here.
What's the matter? Come on. Abba! He's very good at climbing, Yusuf. It's okay. Yusuf, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look here. Say bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our visit to the farm. Please share and subscribe.